Today we'll show you how to install the Tekonsha Voyager ID brake controller, part number 90930. Before beginning, make sure you have all the parts listed in the included instructions. During this installation, we'll use the following tools. Carefully choose a flat, accessible location on your dashboard to mount the manual control knob. This spot should be easily reachable from the driver's seat and provide enough clearance behind the panel. Once you've selected the spot, remove the dashboard panel if needed and use the provided drill template to mark the precise hole locations. Confirm alignment, then drill the top hole for the LED using a 7/64 inch drill bit. After that, drill the bottom hole for the manual knob control unit using a 13/32 inch drill bit. Clear debris or rough edges after drilling. Next, install the manual knob assembly from behind the dashboard, securing it in place with the provided mounting hardware, but avoid over-tightening. After the knob assembly is secured, mount the main control unit in a suitable location behind your dashboard. You can choose either the included mounting bracket or double-sided tape to secure it properly. Ensure the control unit is firmly attached and oriented with the directional arrow facing forward. With the knob and control unit securely installed, connect a provided wiring harness. The Tekonsha Voyager ID includes a universal wiring harness, but vehicle-specific plug-and-play harnesses are also available separately for quicker, easier installation. Follow your wiring instructions carefully to correctly connect the power, ground, brake signal, and trailer output wires. Once all connections have been completed, neatly secure any excess wiring behind the dash panel. Reinstall any dashboard components removed earlier, making sure all pieces are securely back in place. Next, rotate the shaft clockwise until it stops and install the knob on the shaft, aligning the largest LED indicator position. Finally, test the brake controller functions thoroughly before towing a trailer. Adjust the braking power easily using the manual knob, and confirm that the LED indicator clearly shows correct connection status and brake activation. This concludes the installation overview for the Tekonsha Voyager ID brake controller, part number 90930. For more information on this and other Tekonsha products, visit tekonsha.com.